Ahead of the 2024 Edo governorship election, the deputy governor and frontline aspirant for the #1 seat, Right Honorable Comrade Philip Shaibu, don't tax leaders to stop to intimidate party members and say make them use their office to organize PDP for victory. Oga Shaibu yarned this one when he attended the Christmas party where Chief Dan Orbih hosts for PDP members and people of Ogbona on 26 December 2023 for a house for Esako Central Local Government Area of Edo State. Shaibu contact say he don't tell where they never fit do this kind get together and say for all of them today here, he clear say Chief Dan Orbih get leadership qualities. He constantly talk say Christmas na period of love and to share love na the greatest of God's commandments.
So, on behalf of the office of the deputy governor, I want to thank our leader, Chief Dan Orbih, for this Christmas thing that he has organized for all of us. For us in the office of the deputy governor, we thank him and the member of PDP. We thank him for the leadership he has provided. You can see that all of us are here. For a long time, we have not been able to gather like this. So we want to thank our leader, Dan Orbih, for having this get together and for all of us to come here. Because if you provide leadership like this, leadership that people can feel and touch, everybody will subscribe to it. But when you intimidate others, even when you invite them, they are afraid to come to the arena. So I want to seriously thank you for this. And for all of us, on behalf of the office of the deputy governor, I want to thank all of you for being here. And I want to drop this message. Christmas is a period of love. You share love. And don't forget, the greatest of God's commandment is love. And God said, love your neighbor as yourself. This is the time to show it. Celebration is the sharing of items, gifts to one another. God has given you those items. If you have not used it for the last 3 months, please wash it, iron it, somebody use it. So I want to thank all of us as we go into the elections next year. Please don't forget that we are one party. We should stop all this intimidation of party members. We should use our office to organize PDP for victory. Because in the name of contestation, when you molest others, unfortunately, if you win, how will you go and look for others? Those that you are molested and intimidated, and you get them to support you. Don't forget, the first step is primaries. The most important step after primaries is winning the election. Don't forget that this next election is for us to take, is for us to lose. We need all of us to emulate this leadership that Chief Dan Orbih has given. And for our leaders, we are here to support you. And for us, all of us followers, please note that don't molest anybody, don't intimidate anybody. When other aspirants came just now, you see the camaraderie that we share. That is how it should be. Because at the end of the day, one person will be the one that will be nominated. And at the end of the day, others will have to work to make sure PDP is the one that have won. And if PDP win, all of us have done what? So I want to thank all of us. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
The Christmas party host, Chairman of PDP South Chief Dan Orbih contact say, Bele sweet and well to see all the aspirants of PDP tender for the party. Or because he advised all the governorship aspirants of PDP to stop political campaign music where go fit divide the party like Obaseki pepper their music. And say people don't really see pepper and them no one made them see pepper again. He constantly talk say in go do everything where they in power to make sure say PDP win. And say he also expect the state governor Godwin Obaseki to do everything to make sure say PDP win as no price too big to pay to make sure say them win.
My joy goes no bounds. Seeing all our aspirants on the governorship ticket present here. Let me use this opportunity of this wonderful Christmas party to pronounce as the chairman of PDP South, national vice chairman of our great party, I hereby pronounce in our campaigns, either before the ticket or after you have been given the ticket, I hereby ban all punitive music in PDP campaign in Edo State. In the last election, there was one music that touched my heart, and that music was Edo must move forward. But the governor was in love with one particular music. Little did we know that we are going to be peppered. Have you not been peppered? No. You want to continue to be peppered? That is why I stand before you, Chief Dan Orbih Tok, will say, no more campaign where people will see what are they peppered. We will not pepper anybody. When we win the next election, we will make everybody happy. Is that not what we want? The Prince of Peace, the Prince of Love, the Prince of Happiness, the Prince of Unity. We are celebrating today. I pray God that that spirit of the Prince of Peace, Unity, Happiness, and Unity abide with all of us now and forever. When we will come to campaign, I will speak. But let me just say this in very simple language. Here, present with us, we have aspirants who are willing and capable. We are not short of good materials. We have men who have capacity and the will to transform Edo State. We have men who know Edo State, who know the problems of Edo State, who have the solution to the problems of Edo State. I want to appeal to all our party leaders and members. There is an ongoing effort to ensure that Edo State will retain power at the state government house. I'm part of that effort. But I will not shy away from speaking at all times the issues that led us to where we are now. But at the appropriate time, there are not people to speak. I'm one man who will not be afraid to say what I believe. If you have wronged us, I will tell you you have wronged us. It is not there for you to apologize to us and ask for forgiveness. But I will never keep quiet in the face of what is obvious that we have not been properly treated after the re-election of the members. When we are going to come together to address our people, believe me, the man who must take the blame will take the blame. Do you want PDP to win? Yes! Before this gentleman, I pledge before you, I will do everything for the party to win. The government must do everything to make sacrifices for our future. There is no price too high to pay for PDP to return.
Other Amuge people wait and for the Christmas party now. Honorable Gbede Ihama, former two-time member, House of Representatives, Oredo Federal Constituency, and Barrister Asem Ojezua, former state chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), among others. Make una not forget say, as we see him, now so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Isaka Central Local Government Area of Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.